But now, back to the pressing issues.
Actually, before we let you get back to the show, I'd like to say something. I know that public radio may not seem very important in an era of poverty and famine and immense personal greed, but I can assure you it is. And not just because I say so. Look at the facts. 15 of the last 37 American presidents
That's what I'm saying.
37 vice presidents have appeared on BCPR in the last month. 33% of all Nobel Prize winners started out in public radio.
Okay.
Without public...
No, man. No, you've done better. You've done better, Power Queen.
I want to cut this thing.
Yeah, but,
you can even punch it.
Punch a car?
Yeah.
Get ready for it. I'll be damned.
I'm not doing it. I know when I'm doing it.
Hogging all the action, I see. Look, you want to do something other than that? Why don't you come along and show me your ideas? I might give
Show the cheat.
That all you got?
Let's. Oh my god. I love that. See you next time, kids!